So what are you making today, Tom?
Cheddar cheese.
Cheddar cheese.
Everybody's favorite.
How many do you have to make?
25
Okay.
jumbos.
25 jumbos today. We have a special order going out. Big order going out. So 25 is quite a bit.
Well, they need 45 in total. And that's Tom's special sauce.
Okay. I always imagine this popcorn being like ping pong balls. Like a big container of ping pong balls.
It'd be a nightmare trying to put them in this bucket. They're going everywhere. Can't keep them in the bucket, sir. How many bags of cheese you made a week?
I mean, in the last 5 years, probably an average of 0.2.
0.2. I made a bag.
I mean, honestly, I think this year I probably made maybe about 10.
Okay.
I think there was like a week that you were gone or something.
That's probably a week I was sick.
Yeah.
Had the COVID on me.
Yeah, you had COVID, so maybe I've made 10. But yeah, in my lifetime I've made tons of cheddar cheese.
In the beginning, how much cheddar were you making?
Probably about 15 a week.
Wow.
What are we making today, Mitch? Man, it smells so good.
Black cherry Mackinac.
Black cherry Mackinac?
Yeah.
That smells delicious. It's so funny how you can smell that from like...
Yeah, it smells great. Yeah.
It's a nice shade of
Lavender.
purple.
Yeah.
Lavender?
Yeah.
I don't know.
A little bit.
Shade of black cherry.
Oh,
Don't you?
Want to go get a little taste test thing.
Purple is my least favorite color.
Purple's my favorite color.
Purple's your favorite color?
Purple and blue. Yeah.
Purple and blue?
My two favorite colors.
God, I despise the color
You like
purple.
orange, and I do not like orange. Tastes like black cherry.
There we go. All right, Joey, we were just talking about our favorite colors. I was saying how much I hated the color purple.
Well,
What
get
did-
ready, because
Huh?
my favorite colors are pink and purple.
Pink
So-
and purple?
Mm-hmm.
I like pink. I hate purple.
Oh, you're gonna make a lot of people sad. So you don't be purple people. You you don't want to mess with them.
Purple people?
Yeah.
Purple people.
Have you seen those memes?
No.
It's like if someone likes purple, you can tell because everything they have is purple. They don't mess around.
That's a fact.
Yeah.
Maybe that's
That might be why you don't like it.
I might not like the color, but it does smell good.
Remember to put the sugar on it.
Think you've made? Like how many batches
In
of
my
cheddar
lifetime?
cheese? Yes, in your lifetime.
Oh my gosh, we're talking probably 30 bags a week, every week for what, 5 years?
At least, yeah, at least.
That's a lot. That's
Yeah.
a lot of cheese. Sometimes more.
I feel like you've made a lot more than 30 bags a week.
Some weeks, yes. Some weeks it is a whole lot more than 30 bags a week, but
Sometimes in your worst week you might have made 30 bags. but
my worst week.
maybe not your worst week, but
Yeah, that's a hard number to come up with. Like, you got a fundraiser or something going on and you're making 90 bags. You know, I don't know.
some weeks I think it's like, some weeks I think that you've probably made like at a minimum like 20.
Yeah. On average, yeah, it's like 30 bags a week on average. One down.
It's almost July.
Yeah, that's true.
So speaking of July, Joy, Are you pro fireworks or anti fireworks?
I am anti-fireworks. I don't know. How soapboxy do you want me to get?
Do it!
I don't know. They're just bad for, like, animals get scared and veterans get scared. And, like, we're trying to celebrate America and, like, alienating people with PTSD.
Yeah.
This doesn't seem like the right way to do it.
Right.
And like pets get scared, people have to worry about like their dogs and stuff, and it just doesn't feel right to me.
Yeah. I understand fireworks.
Mm-hmm.
It's just one of those things where it's like, I've seen them 100 times.
Yeah.
I don't need to see them anymore.
Exactly.
So,
yeah.
I don't know. I don't know.
I am anti-fireworks.
Anti-fireworks?
All day, yeah.
All right. we gotta check with everybody else. That's okay. Tom,
Yo,
pro fireworks or anti-fireworks? 4th of July is coming.
I've never been a big fireworks guy,
Yeah.
but I think this year I'm actually going to try to go to Lake Michigan and watch fireworks.
So pro fireworks.
For this year, yes.
For this year.
For the rest of my life, no.
Yeah. Mitch, pro fireworks, anti-fireworks. 4th of July is coming.
Anti-fireworks.
Anti-fireworks. Wow.
Yeah. There's a lot of people with PTSD that stuff affects.
Yeah.
And if you're sitting there in your house and explosions are going off and you have past with, like, you're a veteran, especially. That stuff can be hard on you.
Yeah.
So.
No, I totally get that. I don't know. I feel like I've seen them once. I've seen them a million times. Miranda,
Yes.
pro fireworks or anti-fireworks? 4th of July is coming.
I gotta say that I'm fine with fireworks. I think I have to go pro fireworks.
Pro fireworks?
I've got kids. They like to watch the colors and stuff. I get that, like, how people don't like them though.
Yeah.
But I don't know. I think it's fun. And it's always like a family tradition to go and see the different fireworks. So
Okay.
I'm
Okay.
a pro.
I would probably be pro fireworks if the whole fireworks show was all finale.
Yeah, that's true.
I hate the trickle finale.
Or I think it's fun if you're just going to blow up your own fireworks. Then the thrill of lighting it and seeing if you don't explode. That's the
agree.
real fun.
I actually agree with that. I agree with that.
I can't pick up another box, another bag. The question will be, how much cheese do you eat?
I'm like,
I eat it all the time.
it's getting to the point where there's no point in me tossing it to you.
Thank you, Joy.
Victory!
Yay!